In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Wix account permanently. Whether you're switching to another platform or simply no longer need your Wix account, I'll guide you through the steps to ensure it's done properly and securely. Let's get started by first navigating to Wix.com. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Wix homepage. Make sure you're logged into the account you wish to delete. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it to access your account options. After clicking on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to select Account Settings. It's essential to make sure you're in the right section since the option to close your account is located here. This will take you to the page where you can manage all the core settings related to your Wix account. As you scroll down the Account Settings page, look for the option that reads Close Your Account. This might seem a bit hidden amidst other settings, but rest assured that this is the correct choice. Click on Close Your Account, and Wix will redirect you to a page designed to walk you through the closure process. Here, Wix will ask you to provide a reason for leaving. You might see options ranging from service dissatisfaction to business closure. Before you proceed, it's worth considering that sharing your reason can help Wix improve their service. But it's entirely optional. Select an option that best represents your situation and continue to the next step. Now, Wix will request that you enter your account password. This is a standard security measure to verify your identity and ensure that no one else is attempting to delete your account without your consent. Carefully type in your password, taking a moment to double-check it for any typos or errors. Finally, you'll see the Close Account button. By clicking this, you'll initiate the process of permanently deleting your account. Before you click, bear in mind that this action is irreversible. Once you click Close Account, all your website data, including any saved content, will be erased permanently. If you're sure about your decision, go ahead and confirm. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully deleted your Wix account. If you have any items you wish to keep, remember to back them up beforehand. I hope this guide was helpful and clear. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.